You spend your hard-earned money on organic, nutrient-dense superfoods. You bring them home expecting them to deliver on their health promises. But the way we cook for convenience can wipe out the very benefits we paid for. Tossing these ingredients into a microwave can destroy up to 97% of their nutritional value in minutes. Today, we are going to build a maximum nutrient meal. We will walk through the exact steps to prepare your food so those delicate, health-boosting compounds actually make it into your body. Here's what you need to start: your raw ingredients, a stovetop, a pot fitted with a steamer basket, and non-plastic storage containers. Sourcing high-quality food is only the first step. True healthy eating requires us to manage the chemistry of our cooking process with the exact same care we use at the grocery store. Step 1 is assembling our foundation. We are using garlic, dark leafy greens, and a clean protein like salmon. Inside each garlic clove is an active compound called allanase, which lowers cholesterol and helps fight cancer cells. But allanase is extremely fragile under intense heat. If microwaved for just 60 seconds, the radiation deactivates that enzyme completely. This gives us our first guideline, the garlic rule. To protect its chemical benefits, you must either eat garlic raw or stir it into your food at the very end of stovetop cooking. Next, we prep our cruciferous vegetables and leafy greens, like broccoli and kale, which are packed with sensitive antioxidants. This chart compares how much of those antioxidants survive 2 different cooking methods. You can see a minimal 3% retention when they are microwaved, directly next to a towering 89% retention rate for steamed vegetables. To lock in those nutrients, we use a stovetop steamer. Place your vegetables in the basket over simmering water. The boiling water itself must never touch the food. Watch the color of the vegetables. When they turn a vibrant, bright green, pull them off the heat. That bright hue tells you the vitamins C and K are intact. If you need proof that microwave radiation affects biological material differently than standard heat, consider a famous experiment where 8th graders tested water on living plant cells. They used 2 identical plants. One received water boiled on a stove, and the other received water heated in a microwave. By day 7, the plant receiving the boiled water was upright and thriving, while the plant receiving the microwaved water was severely withered and drooping. Heat is an essential tool in the kitchen, but the specific method we use to apply that heat determines whether our food remains biologically active or becomes dead matter. The meal doesn't end when you finish eating. How you manage the leftovers dictates the nutritional value of your next meal. When we toss leftover food into a plastic container and apply heat, the plastic reacts to the temperature change, chemically contaminating the food inside. This cross-section shows the process at a microscopic level. Under heat, the plastic degrades, leaching up to 44 different chemicals directly into your superfoods. To eliminate this chemical exposure, strictly use glass or stainless steel containers to store your meals. When you are ready to eat those leftovers, bypass the microwave. Instead, use a convection oven, an air fryer, or place the food in a stovetop skillet with a small splash of water to gently warm it back up. Even when heating a simple liquid like milk in a safe container, a few minutes of microwave radiation destroys up to 40% of its essential B vitamins. Securing the health benefits of your food requires you to treat your leftovers with the exact same chemical respect as the raw ingredients. When you follow these steps, you end up with this: a fully assembled plate featuring bright green steamed broccoli, gently cooked salmon, and a fresh garlic garnish added right at the end. This meal represents maximum nutrient density. By managing the temperature and avoiding radiation, the antioxidants and enzymes successfully survived the journey from the pan to your plate. I challenge you to eliminate your microwave usage for just 1 week. Test the stovetop steaming and reheating methods and see how your food looks and tastes. Leave a comment below. Let me know which cooking shortcut you plan to swap out today. Optimal health is a partnership between sourcing nature's best ingredients and mastering the protective process used to prepare them.